Today with the 2019 XC40. The Volvo XC40 is a compact SUV built with safety in mind. A wide variety of technology aids assist in keeping passengers safe. The XC40, however, has not forgotten about handling, refinement, and ride comfort, all of which make this vehicle one to consider, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.